Hi and welcome back to the TackleShare YouTube channel. Today I have with me TackleShare's summer fishing checklist, and we're going to go over it today. First up on the summer fishing checklist are your essential items. You're going to want things like your tackle box, your rod and reel, a set of pliers or forceps, which we have another more detailed video about how to use pliers and forceps on our channel. And then you're also going to want a set of clips or line cutters to cut your line. And the last essential item to bring is patience and persistence. Some of the non-essential items that you may want to bring with you are a bait bucket if you're going to use live bait, and you're going to want to make sure that you have a dip net to get the bait out. You're going to want a lake map with depths if you're out on the water. You're going to want a net if you land a big fish, as well as a bump board or a tape measure so you can measure how long that fish is. And then you may also want lawn chairs or a bucket to sit on if you're going to be out for a long time. The essential personal items on the list are appropriate clothing. It's sunny out right now, so I'm in a t-shirt and shorts, and that's fine, but if it's raining, you might want a raincoat. Bug repellent and sunscreen are very important. You're going to want a cell phone on full charge, not to play games on, but you're going to need it if there's ever an emergency. You just got to have it on you. You're going to want your fishing license, and you're going to want a copy of the fishing regulations. Now, the fishing regulations you don't have to bring with you, but you need to know the regulations for the area you're going to be fishing in. A flashlight for if you're fishing late at night or early in the morning, or if you end up staying longer than anticipated. A hat and sunglasses to protect your eyes from the sun and also to help you see better into the water and not have so much glare. And you're going to want some snacks and some water. Some key tips for when you're bringing out your kids fishing with you, especially if they're really young: be prepared. Bring lots of healthy snacks to eat and drink, have a plan for some bathroom breaks, and have their rods ready before you go out, because most kids are a little bit impatient and they don't want to wait while you're sitting there tying all their reels and rods and lures. So it's just better to have everything ready to go. Starting with short trips is a good idea for young kids. A lot of the time it's a patience thing, or they just get bored of catching the same fish over and over again. So it's better to keep it in short little bursts. Targeting panfish is a great idea with young kids. That way they're entertained by having them catch easier fish. If you're not catching fish, just enjoy the outdoors. There's more to fishing than actually catching fish. When the bite slows down, like if it gets really warm out and the fish go away, it's just nice to enjoy the outdoors with the kids. This summer fishing checklist can be found on our TackleShare website along with an ice fishing checklist. Just go to TackleShare.com and then go to activities and resources. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated on more fishing content.